The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Watch them.
Bring this for. Dad, nobody didn't put you on.
Well, open the gate for the man to go in the house, boy. Well, we have a court order. Cut this gate, baby. This thing, boy. We have a court order, boy. Cut fucking the uncle. You making a jail to go in your own house today, boy. Pan uncle that, boy. Let the police come, boy. You are not to get the fucking documents before I beat up your mother. Can't know, right up, fellas. Hey, let's start. Watch that. Watch how we go start this thing here now, eh? Get that gun, look, get that now, because you the fuck I you in.
Oh God, you need to now. I want to see it. What do you think on your phone?
I have it here, the fucking station and everything too, boy. If you die, let them call the police, boy. This going too far. If you die afraid, fucking them all. This go far. This will go far. Watch him. All watch where the son do it. Watch where he do it, father. Watch where they do it, father. Watch. But you pull out your own father, boy. You're that nasty fella, boy. So why you can't open the gate for the man to come in that court order? Boy, bust this fucking lock, boy.
I never put out my phone.
Well, so you can't open the gate for your father to come in here? The man living on the road, boy. He's on the road, the man living, boy. He's on the road, the man living, boy. Well, we doing it with the uncle house. Cut your fucking gate, boy. You have a sign here, boy. Cut your gate, boy. You get lock out your own place. You that cacao, over. Bring the book cutter, boy. Bring the fucking book cutter, boy. The house, boy. Man, I father begging to go in the house rather than to go fucking Ian Allen. I hear you, Ian Allen. Ian Allen, you're that dog. Come and pull this man. Come and talk to Ian Allen. All the too nasty, boy. And that police station are waiting for them. They're wicked. There is too much of wickedness going on. We have a court order, any man. That what going on here? Well, call it. I don't care threaten anybody here. Everything recorded. But I care. Let the police come. Look, she say I have a hammer. Well, watch it there. Watch it on the live. I have a hammer in my hand. Flip it. Well, watch it. I have a hammer in my hand. No, I have a hammer in my hand. I have a hammer in my hand. I want the world to see what's going on. I want the world to see what's going on. I have a hammer in my hand. You better, them police better know what they're doing, no? I have a hammer in my hand. Hey, boy, get it with the man there, boy. Naresh, I know what some licks in the mother cunt over Naresh. It's you, boy, it's you, boy. So wait, go on, boy, what by we, boy? Wait, go on, boy.
I had that paper that's small.
He and all to look like here where he fucking father move out to, boy. Telling me about police and police, them police and them nasty too, boy. They're not doing the work, you know, when they want to come and they want to come now. That way they do in Trinidad and Tobago. That way their son doing this old man here. By the court, them have it. I have it here too. Nastiness going on in this country. Hey, boy, go and take the book, cut and cut this. That's your place. You can't go in your own house. Go and go in your house, boy. You playing shopping and lecture and overruling in your house. You build here, boy. I don't want to hear you, no, boy. I see that envelope this morning, boy. You're making me to fuck you up too, boy. I see it this morning, boy. Yes, Trinidad and Tobago, all what's going on here. When the police come, nasty around with police, so come and lock me up, the man, come. I have a hammer in my hand. I will pull you to court for pulling and telling me I have a hammer in my hand. You like court? We go to court. You want to record me and I can't record I on the main road. I recording too. Give me my fucking thing and... Hold on there for me. Record there. Record me there. Me go in. And get my documents too. No, I need talking paper, you know, right? I'm more up on top of holding as you going on, right? You better I watch them paper this morning before I get by because we need to go by. How old are you? Do I have it on my phone too? Uncle, go and cut the fucking gate by your house, boy. Your house, boy.
When the next one wants to be chopped, nobody wants to say nothing.
He am all to the mother country and me taking sides, you know. Oh, brother, open the gate for your father alone to come home, brother. I watch about it with you. I no business with that. Give the man and let the man come in your house. Uncle, go in your house. The man crying. Also, the man crying. Hold up. Here, come. That is your son. Talk to your son. Keep this one outside. I'm not coming. Let Daddy go.
The only time who come inside this cup,
No problem.
My father, anybody else come inside.
No, hear what, brother? Hear what? If I will come in, but if them boys are packing, if them fellas, them, listen me, brother. If them fellas, them are packing, I'm not coming in place. Them, listen, how we coming in place? Don't want nobody else. No problem.
Right, so they're allowing,
No problem.
so are they allowing me to move back here? Right, that is all. Right. Hey,
Azar, tu ala ka mari fana.
how to talk to the lady?
Oh, chalo, ala ko answer ang nakai follow.
Yeah, anybody thinking, or who demand over there, don't let you go in there.
No problem, we are no problem.
Right, the man say choose you, then no
We
problem.
are metuloy ba
The right is the right.
No problem with that.
Why this? Look, everybody in front of you. Why does they bring shopping court for? I want to ask you one question. Before you come inside this here. Where's the problem, you know?
The man say all I want to kill him, man.
So, yeah, the man who want to kill him, look, the man stand up right there and he say all innocent. That man did.
Yeah, what's going on now? You see what you do this morning too? You are cross there. I see the fucking document this morning. You see what you do?
Wait, let me get everything clear. When my mother dead, wait, I will look to get the stuff. I will look to get my when we finish talk. When we finish talk. When my mother dead, listen what I'm telling you, look my father in front of me. That young boy there broke up my room. I don't know what he say I teach. Telling me I teach my mother jewelry.
No,
Right?
the wrong thing. Hold on. This young boy beat him mother to death.
Right.
You go back and say something somewhere, he will see how much he fought and have with him. But daddy and mom against your town and run back, and mom and dad have a protection order right
I
now.
leave here. Show that fella. Show that fella I leave my boy.
That's what abuse them.
Me I want to get in a family matter.
Hey, watch me.
Hey,
All them talk equal for. The man come back.
No, but you see, the man put me against the rabbi.
Talking, but the man talking.
they say that accept when the mom
I'm not taking on both sides
let
here.
them go back in the house
I'm not
and
taking
done
on
all
both sides
this.
here. Yeah, I'm not taking on both sides here.
I just think you want to call my daddy up for Uncle Richie. He knows who he is. So daddy can come in here and he will want to call with Uncle Richie. Daddy okay with that? Right?
Right?
You gotta live good with your
I
family.
don't talk to you. I do not want to fella come inside me. Hey, wait.
I'm not coming in.
Muda, I'm not coming in.
Muda have a family.
Nah, really.
Any if I
You talking about now?
yeah, alright. Put that right.
That's one side.
Uncle, organize it over. Your daughter, you know, that is your son. We go deal with the matter that's not with you. Deal with our resource. The right in the right, from the heat place.
Nobody.
That's all. Let's see how it is. That's all.
Nobody has to know vehicle, nobody has to know nobody.
No, I just explain you know.
Nobody has to know vehicle, nobody has to know nobody.
Yes, stop.
Well, yeah.
Because I just too much. I never hit my mother.
If you want to call I don't like everything to be straight up and real by.
The main thing is by your honey man, below you are riding on a honey man.
So when he put it, you put it in a bag or something?
He had it in his I have copy. I have copy that I could guess. Don't worry, I have copy on the water scene at the end of the come. Yeah, I can make kind of way.
Well, yes.
Hey, and I talk to you, everybody serving in a fucking quarter or something.
You getting back to we know everything is a hot matter, brother. You will be no trouble, forget that. Who wrong, who right, I get brother. And then they come out deal with it better than this, bro. At a certain time he can't stop certain things and wait after they deal with it proper. At a certain time when they can't stop certain things. I wait till the police them for them to come.
Dog, I don't know what to do about this live again now. What? The lights were doing all huh? By everything, Kevlin, boy. I mean, but this was on live. What is 153? It was now 157. It going down like become a bit like
You'll be famous like that.
oh, yeah. Oh, work.
Fine.
I mean, this could do, man.
Leave it. What? Big leak. What's up? Right? If you don't like that in the country. Or the night them thing.
I think like that before we like
Tell him, yeah?
Hey, what you doing? Hey!
Who said it?
Seven daddy upstairs.
The
wicked way.
I know you, but I'm here to get up on nobody. I'm here to get on. Not having somebody. I take it. I want the best to happen.
So they say waiting for the police, waiting for the 5-0. Telling you, things to move. All our pop stuff. Tell you, all this to move and yeah. Good dig. Yes.
Just ask you a few questions.
Pick up the ask you a few questions, man.
How do you feel to know that now if this is mother today?
Shit.
That is not true. I don't know if it's true. All they move that is
No, but they're still on your live, girl. They got 120 people. How about Anja? Wait now. And they're going back up 133 now. Oh. What now? Watch all our pop stuff now, boy. Galvanized, all type of thing. Bed, everything to move. Tell them now that they don't know what the poor man back in the place. So me know what going on. What's going on? But if my siblings could do my mother, that my thumb them in the yeah, thumping face, boy.
I like to talk about the live.
With me, boy, I don't mind they talk on no live. I know starting to do all those same thing. Telling you. Huh?
Check it off. He said check it off and tell him. There's nothing going on, dog. Check it off.
Don't worry, though. All we get part two just now. We'll be waiting for the police to come back. Hold on. Hold up. Part two reach. What?
When you are after the 2 envelope, where you are after? She was saying that I joke with me move me paper in front nobody chair I hand him a push me box you when I put in 2 paper in box. You ain't touch the fucking paper, John. How old feel? I didn't fuck up. I didn't touch the paper. I not touch the paper. If I tell you my mind, you touch the paper. Me see the paper. I will look himself. You never show me yet.
Five oh.
I not doing already. He wants to replace. What's about it?
5-0 reaching there. Any man. Oh, when I come with the cameraman, you're walking back. 5-0 reach. Alright, all your 6 feet apart, all the turn on the mask. Pop. Here, mask, right?
Now we're here in the house
Mm-hmm.
now. You say nothing for me. So you make things good. Because you done is supposed to be nowhere wrong.
Pops, wear mask.
No, what I did wrong, you can't, I mean, just say everything in
Ay, ni man after I say what the envelope, I say look the envelope I found.
this is of my time.
Yeah.
This is not this is a thing.
And next one, way? Oh God. 2 way? They may making joke, boy. They may making joke. Yeah. Watch him. Watch him. Watch the prick now. Watch the prick.
Everything in the law.
You know, if I'm here, I'm not going to
The problem is all the hair or process?
Yeah. Yeah.
You with him?
Yeah.
What are you doing now?
Making sure. Everything there. Yeah.
What reason so?
We went to court and thing with him, but then I got from him also. Obviously, I mean, the court, we don't know what we got up in the station.
So, we can talk to you, you know,
And the,
you're not wrong enough.
yeah, no, the right procedure, everything in the magistrate themselves is clearly everything is a court matter. So, we can, yeah, the court matter. Come home side, let's bring him home and die off. Well, alright, here we're going on, people. Everything good, officers, everything so fine, alright? So, later.
Jano, my people, just by the way how the elder man a move alone, make me would have forget certain things if I was that man's relative. You see me? Me not gonna say if I was the son, because me not put my father out of my house, or me not go want my father live on the road while I'm living in a house. You see me? No. See, I'm not judge nobody to viewers and subscribers. You see me? I say because me not understand the full situation about this whole thing that is being talked about in the video and on social media. You see me? Alright, listen. The thing is, though, viewers and subscribers. Oh, before we go further, the video that I just presented to you had been recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Yes, the video that I just presented to you had been recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Now, you see, me Dancehall Skilla, I try to think whenever I see a video post on social media. I mean, sometimes you have some video that will post on social media by persons out there with some titles that don't even match the situation shown in the video. You understand? Now listen. Now I got the understanding that different persons post parts of that video on social media with titles that are somewhat similar but not really exactly the same. You see me I say? Yeah, like one person posts a part of the video on social media with a title saying, "Son put father out of his own house or kick father out of his own house." See? Alright, fine. I got the understanding that someone also posted a part of the video also with a title saying, "Son put father out of his house or son kick father out of his house." You see? And me I try to get a full understanding of who for house really. See? I'm gonna notice me or somebody in the video, or at least one person in the video mentioned something about court or court order. You see? And you see, according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, viewers and subscribers, and you can tell me if I am right or if I am wrong, but it seems as if at least at one point the son did not want his father to be living in the house that he's living in or at. See? I don't know what happened after the video. This video stopped recording. I don't know what happened after this video stopped recording. You see me I say? Yeah, maybe him and his father start talk again. Maybe the father had been allowed in the house. Anything possible, you see me? And I really and truly hope say them work out them difference, and I really and truly hope say them, you know, come to some form of good agreement and live loving and all them things. You see me I say? I go hope so. I hope so, you see? Not much me can say when it comes down to the situation there. So I say that a family affair, family dispute. It's just that it had been recorded and put out there on social media. So I say, yeah, big up Waka man, big up yourself. So I say, yes, I'm never left it now. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up, you see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla!
Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.